We have gotten to the clearing of certain select parts here. Color has been placed on the base coat, and the clear is going on now. Using clearing right now windshield brackets, door hinges, a cover for the windshield wiper motor, as well as over here the windshield itself and the cover for the fuel tank, of which we did a wrinkle paint on and then shot it with color and then clear. Reason being is that there were just so many little imperfections and rush and blemishes within the tank itself that it really didn't make any sense to do a lot of body work and try to make it smooth, so we made it consistently wrinkled. Typically this piece is underneath the passenger seat, as everybody knows, and does not require a lot of viewing, so it will stand up, be very durable, and handle any kind of kicking that occurs as you get into the vehicle and when you're sitting in the seat. So clearing is going on right now. This is the second coat of clear. Just have one coat. We do 3 coats typically.